Welcome! Are you ready to launch your Shopify store the right way? Today, we're covering a comprehensive setup guide, focusing on crucial steps for SEO and Google Analytics integration. Why are SEO and Google Analytics crucial from day one? SEO drives organic traffic, and analytics gives you the data needed to optimize performance, ensuring you build a profitable store from the ground up. Let's start with the foundation, the initial Shopify setup. This involves creating your account, choosing a plan, and configuring basic store settings. First, create your Shopify account and carefully select the right plan that suits your business needs and budget. This sets the stage for everything else. Next, select a professional and mobile-friendly theme. Customize it to reflect your brand identity, ensuring a clean, intuitive, and high-converting user experience. Don't forget to set up essential store information. Define your store name, set the correct currency, and publish crucial legal pages like privacy and shipping policies. Now let's move into product setup. This is where we integrate SEO directly into your product listings to maximize visibility. Start by adding your products. Make sure your product images are high quality and accurately represent what you are selling. For SEO, optimize product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. Crucially, add descriptive alt text to all your product images for better search engine indexing. Configure your product URL slugs to be clean and keyword-rich. Write compelling meta descriptions that entice users to click when they see your product in search results. Beyond product listings, let's cover the general SEO settings for your entire Shopify store. Optimize your homepage's title tag and meta description. These are typically the first things search engines see, so ensure they are engaging and keyword-focused. Verify that your Shopify sitemap is accessible and submit it directly to Google Search Console. This helps Google efficiently crawl and index your entire store. Next, let's integrate the power of data with Google Analytics 4, or GA4, for robust performance tracking. First, go to your Google Analytics account and create a new Google Analytics 4 property. Make sure to choose the web data stream for your Shopify store. You'll receive a GA4 tracking code. Integrate this code seamlessly with your Shopify store, typically done within the theme settings or using an official Shopify app, to start collecting valuable data. We are almost ready for launch. Before going live, let's perform some critical final checks. It is vital to thoroughly test your checkout process and all configured payment gateways. Ensure that transactions are smooth and error-free for your future customers. The final step, remove the password protection from your store and officially launch. Congratulations! Your store is now public and ready for customers. You've successfully set up your Shopify store with SEO and Google Analytics configured. The next step is continuous monitoring and optimization using your new data. Good luck!